Welcome to Cuelist Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be covering registration. If this is the first time you're visiting the Cuelist site, when you arrive, you will see this screen. Will prompt you to either sign in with Google, sign in with your email. If you've never been to Cuelist before, you will need to go down to the bottom and click on the Need to Register Instead button. You can then choose to register with Google or register with your email. Registering with Google will just use the Google sign in and authentication. That's usually the simplest way to do it. If you register with your email, you'll have a little more control over your thumbnail avatar image, and you'll be able to make some other changes, but you will have to follow some additional steps, including verifying your email address. For today, we're going to register with Google, and you will, as soon as you get it, you will see a prompt to choose your account. Once you choose your account, it's going to take you directly into Cuelist. You are now activated. You will not have to register each time. Cuelist will remember that you have registered. This is your dashboard, and once you arrive in your dashboard, you're going to see one project, and that is your sample project. You're also going to see a button up here at the top that says Upgrade to Collaborator. Currently, over in the upper left-hand corner, you will note that you are an observer, and an observer is a user of Cuelist that will be unable to create projects or edit projects, but they will be able to respond to invitations to projects. So if you need view-only access to a project, observer mode may be all you need. If you do need to change and create and edit projects, you are going to need to upgrade to collaborator status. You can do that two different ways. You can upgrade here by pressing this button, or you can go into the menu and go into account settings. We're going to go into account settings. You're going to go into account settings here, and you're going to see the ability to upgrade to collaborator or add affiliation. We'll cover add affiliation later. So for now, we're going to upgrade to collaborator. It's immediately going to give you some options to choose your subscription plan. You can choose a monthly plan, a yearly plan, in which you'll save 20%. You can also, if you are an institution, switch over and view our educational institutional plans. Educational institutional plans include a minimum of 5 licenses. So if you are going to have multiple users, this is a great option in order to have control over those users. For today, we're going to sign up for the educational plan, and it's exactly the same as signing up for an individual plan. We're going to choose our plan and click check out. And Cuelist is now going to take you to our processor, which is Stripe. And this is a very secure payment platform. We do not have access to the information you put in here. It's all held within Stripe, so you will have the ability to update your information through that platform. For today, we're going to put in our email address. We're going to put in a sample credit card number. This will only work on our testing server. And we are going to put in our information. Once we do that, you're going to see the opportunity to start a trial. Every Cuelist subscription has a 15-day free trial. If you cancel any time during that trial, you will not be charged at all for Cuelist. After that trial expires, your credit card will automatically be charged. We're going to press the Start Trial button. It's going to process our payment, and it is going to take us back to the Cuelist website after the payment has been processed. Okay, we're going to sign in again. And you can now see we have the opportunity, instead of upgrading to Collaborator, the opportunity to start a new project. and we'll be able to do that in a further video.